Alright, U.S. History students, here are your directions for class today. You're going to start by getting a You Matter card from the substitute. If you remember our presenter from a while ago, Bobby Petrocelli, he shared his message, and I just kind of came up with this idea after he shared his message. So you're just going to write to somebody and tell them why they matter. We may do this every once in a while, once or twice a month. You can write to a family member, a friend, can be at school, doesn't have to be at school, whoever you want to write to. So take the first 10 minutes of class and write to someone. You guys don't have to turn these in. You keep them, fold them. If this is personal to you, find your own spot in the room to write this down. So you can go around the room, sit along the walls, however you want to get this accomplished, but just take the first 10 minutes of class to do this. You can pause the video right now and go get this done. After you've done the You Matter card, you guys are going to go back to your document on Schoology. It was right here, period, username, Battle of Little Bighorn. So if you weren't here yesterday, then you need to make a copy of this document. Yesterday we made it through the textbook excerpt. And remember, all the way at the bottom of this, I'll scroll down, you're thinking about this question: who was responsible for the Battle of Little Bighorn? You're going to have to answer that on your own in 5 to 7 sentences. So yesterday we got through the textbook excerpt, which is right here. Answered those questions. You started to answer these questions on document A. This was the report written for the President of the United States about the military actions leading up to the Battle of Little Bighorn. So today you're going to go ahead and finish this out. You're going to read document B and make sure you read the source information. It's written by Kate Bighead, the Cheyenne Indian. She's telling her story to Dr. Thomas Marquis in 1922. Dr. Marquis was a doctor and historian of the Battle of Little Bighorn in the 1920s. He interviewed and photographed Cheyenne Indians. The Battle of Little Bighorn, that's just kind of some mixed up information here, so you don't need to worry about that information right there. I'll just delete it out of there. So make sure you reference that sourcing information right here. You're going to answer questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you have this question at the bottom. Go ahead and answer it right here. And then whatever you type right here, who was responsible for the Battle of Little Bighorn, I want you to take that information, copy it, and paste it back here into this discussion right here. It's right underneath the link to the document. There's a discussion right here. This will be a way that I can see that you've done your work. Go ahead and paste your answer into this comment box right here. Click post, and then I'll be able to check on Schoology easily whether you have got this accomplished or not. Once you have that accomplished today, then you're going to go to edpuzzle.com. So you see it's right up here. Just go ahead and type in edpuzzle.com. If you've never logged into Edpuzzle, go ahead and sign up and go through that process. If you think you do have an account, click on Login, and you're going to be a student, but I'm going to click on Teacher. And then if you happen to forget your password or your information, they have a forgot your password thing here. But go ahead and log in or sign up. And then you are going to click on U.S. History. You actually have to sign up for U.S. History. So you're going to be asked to join a class, and your join code is right here. WEKDARA, and all lowercase. So you'll join, and then you'll see this video, the Battle of Little Bighorn. So it's only about, I'll try to click on watch as a student here, and it's less than 4 minutes long, and you'll be asked some questions along the way. Okay, if you get that done before the end of class, you can read any current event websites that you want to. Check all of your grades for all classes. You know that it's past midterm and semester tests are coming up in less than a month. So be a good time to do that as well. Hope you enjoy your day and have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow.